main button. Now main button, I need to include button. How many button I have taken? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, dot, then 9.0 equal plus minus, then plus minus multiplication division clear. Correct? These many buttons I want. So red click, red mark, left click, alt enter. It will automatically import the class necessary. Okay. Next, what I have taken? Edit text. So what is that edit text? Edit text my input. Correct. Next, integrate all the buttons. 1 is equal to, there is a button in XML. Find that ID by r.id.1. Correct? Enter. Next. Similarly, all the buttons. So I'll just take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, dot 0 equals plus minus into divide and clear. Correct? Now 2 is my 2. Okay. Next 3 is XML third. Okay. 4 is equal to XML fourth. 5 is equal to XML fifth. Correct? 6 is equal to XML sixth. 7 is equal to XML seventh. So there is no mandatory rules. You can give the same name also, but it should be integrated. Next, 8 is equal to 8th. 9 is equal to 9th. 0 is equal to 0. Only we have taken. Next, dot is equal to, yes, we have taken dot over there. Next, after that, equals is equal to equal. Next, plus is equal to plus. Next, minus is equal to minus. Then multiplication is equal to multiplication. Division is equal to division. Then last, clear is equal to clear. Any button left out? No, right? Next, edit text. Edit text is equal to, not edit text. Input is equal to, there is a edit text in the XML file. Find that view by ID r.id.input. .id.input semicolon. Okay. Now everything finished. So XML is integrated with your Java. So all the 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 buttons should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 1, 17. Yes, correct. So 17 buttons integrated. Now, on clicking on that, what should happen? One dot set on click listener, new view on click listener should happen. Correct? What should happen? Okay. Input dot set text. Okay. Input dot get text plus 1. Correct? So like that, it should reflect for all the things, all the buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, dot. Correct? Okay. Then if you press clear, what should happen? Now just tell me. Okay. Now there is 2. Okay. You need to get 2. There is 3. Okay. You need to get 3. There is 4. You need to get 4. Correct? Next, there is 5. You need to get 5. There is 6. You need to get 6. There is 7. You need to get 7. Next, there is 8. You need to get 8. There is 9. You need to get 9. There is 10. No, not 10. 0. You need to get, what do you need to get? 0. There is dot. Okay, you need to get dot. Then there is called clear. You need to clear it off. Okay, fine. So you need to get null. Clear? Yes. Any doubts up to here? Okay. So any doubts up to here? Now, what are the buttons remaining? Which button is remaining? 1 over, 2 over, 3 over, 4 over, 5 over, 6 over, 7 over, 8 over, 9 over, 0 over, dot over. Okay. Then clear over. We are only remain with equal, plus, minus, multiplication, division. Correct? Okay. So now next button. What is my next button? When you press equal, set on click listener, new view on click listener should happen. Okay. So what on click? You are taking if guru add is equal to true. If guru add is equal to true, then you need to add. Okay, you need to take input dot set text m value. Okay, m value 1 plus m value 2. Okay, m value 1 plus m value 2. Okay, plus. Okay, now what is the red mark you are seeing? Guru add. Okay, guru add you are seeing as red mark. Okay, what is that red mark? Guru add. No, you have not defined guru add. Okay, so that I'll just enter, alt enter. It is saying yes, create a local variable. So if guru add is true, what is the function? What is the data type? Boolean. It is a boolean. Okay, guru add semicolon. Correct. Now I am not getting any error. Now for m value 1 and m value 2, I am getting an error. Okay, m value 1 and m value 2. So since this is a decimal form, I'll just mention float m value 1, m value 2, semicolon. Okay, so am I getting any errors? No, I am not getting any errors. Correct. If guru add is equal to true, then input the set text m value plus m value 1 plus m value 2. Okay. Now, then after that, I need to make guru addition is equal to false. After addition, next, the same thing, but guru subtraction is true. Okay, m value minus m value true, then guru subtraction should be false. Now I have not created the boolean here, guru subtraction. Correct. So guru subtraction, then I need guru multiplication, then I need guru division. Correct. Okay, I'll go here. Next, guru subtraction is false. Again, copy, I'll paste guru multiplication. Okay, multiplication. Then if guru multiplication m value into m value 2, so that is your multiplication. Next, after multiplying, it should be false. Next, guru division is equal to true. Then after division, it should be false. M value division means m value 1 divided by m value 2. Correct. Correct. Okay. Now for equal symbol, it is happening like this. Okay. Now equal symbol over. Now what is for plus? What is for minus? What is for multiplication? What is for division? Now when you press plus symbol, plus dot set on click listener. Okay. New view on click listener. Okay, what if in case in addition? Now if I enter input dot, okay, input dot input is equal to null. If my input is null, okay, then what should I get? Previous input, if it is null, if I pressing add, it should say yes, input dot set text null only. Okay, if I enter 1000 times also plus, it should say null only. Else, because okay, because I don't have any input. Else, okay, else you should say m value 1 is equal to, since you have taken float data type, float dot parse float whatever the edit text input dot, okay, whatever the input dot get text plus semicolon. Okay, this is your m value 1. Okay, next you can say yes, guru add is equal to true now. Okay, next input dot, okay, input dot set text will be null. Clear? So if the input is null, you will say yes, input you will be remaining as the edit text will remain as null. If it is not null, you are taking that m value 1 and you are storing in the m value 1, then you are going for guru add is equal to true. So it will jump to the guru add equals, okay, guru add is equal to true. Input text, see m value 1 is defined, m value 2 is not defined. So we need to define m value 2. What is that m value 2? The previous one, m value 2 is equal to, again, the float dot parse float, okay, parse float input dot get text plus bracket comma close semicolon. Now m value 2 you got it. So m value 1 plus m value 2, it is happening. Now plus symbol over, again like that, minus symbol. Okay, so I'll just copy paste it, copy paste paste paste. Okay, now plus addition over, one addition is over. Next minus, okay, input text m value 1, guru subtraction is equal to true. Okay, clear? Guru subtraction is true. Next multiplication enclave, so guru multiplication will be true. In multiplication is true. Next in division, okay, input dot text guru division will be true. Okay, so in equals to guru add is equal to true, plus 1 m value 1 plus m value 2 minus 1 m value 1 minus m value 2 m value star m value 2 divide. Okay, so I'll just run this program. I'll just share the complete screen. I'll just share because I need you to see the emulator also. We have started with 3:15, I guess. Okay, so we are winding up by 3:50, almost only 35 minutes. If you know the concept, 20 minutes writing, 30 minutes execution. Okay, you can go off. I was teaching, so it was a delay. Okay, now execution phase, it is executing. So launching, installing the activity. Okay, launching happening. Now launching successful, operation succeeded. Now you got a picture. Now 54 or 45, okay, plus 65 is equal to 110 divided by 11 is equal to 10 into 90 is equal to 900 minus 650 is equal to, okay, how many marks? How many marks? What's your total marks? What's your total marks? 6 sem marks. 5th sem. What's your total marks? Am I audible? Nobody is there. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
What is your total marks? Not your total marks, man. What is your total marks conducted for 5th sem examination, including
900.
both the labs?
900.
900. Okay. Did you get to know who is highest? You got to know who is highest?
No, sir.
Any guesses? Any guess? Sakshi, what's your marks? Sakshi. Who is there to tell your marks, man? Fast.
611, sir.
Enappa?
611.
Sakshi 611.
ಅಲ್ಲ ನಂದು
ಓ ನಿಂದ ನಿಂದ ಹೇಳೋ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳೋ ಎಮ್ಮಿ ಹೇಳೋ
ಎಮ್ಮಿನಾ
ಹಾ
71, sir.
ಓ ಎಮ್ಮಿ 71. ಓಕೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಯಾವುದು?
ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ಸ್.
ಎಷ್ಟು?
68.
ಅಪ್ಪ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಾ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್
59.
59.
53.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್
53.
53. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್
61.
61.
73.
73. ಹಾ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್
77.
77.
85.
ಇದು ಯಾಕೆ? So can you tell me why it is taking only 150? Why it is taking only one? Why it is showing only 150? Anyone? Because we have taken only basic functionality, value 1 and value 2. Correct? Understood my point? See, 53 plus 96 is equal to 149. Now you just tell me 53 plus 96 plus 70 is equal to, see, 70 and 96 it is taking. 96 plus 70 is 166. The last two values, m value 1 and m value 2. So this is the basic functionality. You are not adding three terminologies. Got my point? Okay, clear? Any doubts? I'll stop recording and send us lab program 2. This is lab program 2.